lateral inspection time. Leave our cars on. Hi, this is Daniel Gallagher, Daniel's Plumbing, Drain Cleaning, and Sewer Repair. Your sewer lateral expert. We're back in Media, Pennsylvania today. Sewer lateral inspection. There was a saddle here removed just to gain access. So we have our camera set up. We run Spartan equipment, and we're going to take a look at this lateral itself. So we got cast iron going outside the house. We're looking for breaks, cracks, infiltration, etc. So I didn't see an exterior clean out, so we should be able to get to the sewer from here. The only other alternative, unless it's buried. Still cast iron. There's the clay. There's the sewer. And there's the city sewer. So we're going to bring the camera back slow. I'm going to run some water just to flush the line. We'll document everything, get a good look at everything, put the report together, send a video over to the buyer and the agent, fill out the paperwork for the township, and we're off to the next one. Same day service, 267-650-3418.